Ever heard of a high-speed train that races along the tracks every day but never carries a single passenger no matter how deep their pockets? Well, buckle up because we're about to unravel the mystery behind China's legendary Yellow Doctor, the high-speed comprehensive inspection train that's more than just a striking yellow streak on the rails. Picture this, a train that looks nothing like your ordinary high-speed marvel, decked out in a vibrant yellow coat, hurtling down the tracks at a mind-bending speed of over 600 kilometers an hour. That's more than double the pace of your regular high-speed ride. But here's the catch, no matter how desperately you want to snag a ticket, you won't find a single seat on board. Why? Because the Yellow Doctor has a unique mission. Meet China's high-speed guardian, aptly named the Yellow Doctor. Unlike its passenger-carrying counterparts, this sleek yellow machine doesn't transport eager travelers. Instead, it zips along the high-speed railway tracks every day with a singular purpose, to ensure the safety of the rails beneath it. Equipped with an array of cutting-edge sensors and detectors, the Yellow Doctor is on a perpetual quest to identify any hidden flaws or dangers lurking in the high-speed railway infrastructure. But wait, there's more. The moment the Yellow Doctor sniffs out any potential issues, it doesn't just speed past them, it immediately sends a signal to the high-speed railway station, acting as the superhero messenger of the tracks. Swift adjustments are then made by dedicated personnel to ensure that every high-speed journey remains as safe as can be. With a fleet of 12 of these high-speed doctors cruising the railway arteries of China, they're not just a spectacle, they're the silent guardians ensuring the safety of every high-speed traveler in the nation. So, the next time you marvel at the speed and security of China's high-speed railways, tip your hat to the unsung hero, the Yellow Doctor, silently safeguarding your journey one rail at a time.